Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to allow people to share your post on Instagram Story. If you want to allow people to share your post on Instagram Story, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app or website on your mobile phone. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, go ahead and create a new account to continue. Now, tap on the profile icon shown at the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. It will take you to the settings and activity area. Scroll down and find the account privacy option. Then, tap on it and disable the account privacy. Make sure that your account is a public account. After that, go back and scroll down until you find the sharing and reuse option. Allow people to share your content. You can enable the posts and reels option to allow people to share your post on Instagram Story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.